Hello everyone, this is Judy here. Thank you so much to all the subscribers subscribing on my channel, Life with Australia with Judy. And thank you so much because I got monetized. Thank you for all the support. Thank you everyone for the support our channel. Nindot diri guys, so Bisaya. Thank you so much. We got monetized, guys. Yay! Yay! Thank you for all support. And dito tayo sa My River. Is ano guys, kanang ayan, bright. Thank you. We got monetized. Thank you so much for all your support. And I hope you will continue to support our channel, and we do have some adventures here in Australia, and also when we have holiday in the Philippines. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Not open?
Cindy time. Were you gonna walk down the steps, or do you want to walk up them, or whatever you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Because we're at the bottom of them now.
Yeah, I walk up the steps.
What? You're gonna walk up them steps there,
Yes.
and then what are you gonna do? Where am I gonna meet you? Where am I?
Just there. In the ano before.
I don't know. Get out and make sure she don't get out, and I'll go get the ship from the butchers.
Okay.
Stay in.
Go up.
Stay, Cindy.
Cindy.
Oh, not space.
Okay.
I'll meet
See
you
you
down
later.
there somewhere, Judy.
There is his.
I'll meet you down there somewhere.
Yeah. This is the Alade.
Shut the door.
Okay, see ya. Gonna go here. Go up. Dito na tayo guys. Ito yung view. Yun yung view guys. Winter kasi guys, kaya yung tree ganyan na siya. Yun yung main town doon. Oh. So, bababa tayo ulit. So, green na green dito guys. Oh. Ganda no? Yan, yan. May upuan doon guys. Oh. Ganda ng ano doon. Yan. So, hello guys. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers na nag-subscribe sa aking channel, Life with Judy in Australia. Life in Australia with Judy pala guys. Thank you so much sa support nyo lahat. God bless. I appreciate it all. Dito tayo sa river, guys. May houseboat doon. Dito tayo sa... Thank you so much to all the subscribers. O, tara, maglakad-lakad tayo dito. Against the light ako, guys. Against the light. Ito tayo sa may ano. Maliwanag, oh. Barbecue area there. So it's early in the morning here, guys. Dito tayo sa may upuan, guys. Against the light kasi. Punta tayo dyan sa may upuan. Sorry guys, sometimes kanang yung ko ba, yung pagkakamera kasi minsan nagmamadali, guys. Yan, may upuan dito, guys, oh. Kung magpi-fishing ka dito, yan, may upuan. Walang bayad dito, guys. Walang entrance fee. Lahat libre. Sila ng Bisaya, no? Bisaya na lang ta, guys. Ang ganda doon, guys, oh. May mga white seagulls, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Woo! Iba na sa trees. Naglaro dito ng guys, oh. Ping-pong ba yun? Pwede maglaro dyan. Walang katao-tao dito ngayon. Kasi hindi siya school holidays. Kaya hindi pa matao. Pag matao dito, guys, mahiya din akong video. Mag-video kasi mag-ingat tayo sa kasi yung iba hindi sila mahilig sa mga video eh. O yung ibang tao na magpicture sa kanila, mag-ingat lang. Kaya karamihan wala tao talaga pag pero nandito kami sa countryside, kaya hindi siya busy, hindi katulad ng sa city na maraming tao. Gusto dito ng husband ko kasi hindi siya matao ba, yung relaxing lang, yung peaceful. Parang may isda. Parang may umaano ng isda doon kanina. Maliit lang siguro. Yun yung Mori River Yan, guys, mag-exercise dito, guys. Libre lang, guys. Dito, guys. Mag-exercise. Try nato. Basta man siya, guys. Mura siya bike. Nakuan, pero ang lingkuranan basta kay tungod sa katugnaw, guys. Kay winter karon, guys. Basta. Against the light, mong dito good. Okay. Ngarita diri sa kuan. Pwede rin practice, guys. Guys, hindi araw mandahin yun. Okay, guys, kami maglingkod ha, guys, mag-snack, labi na ka ng summertime, guys. Na medyo din na, guys, magbuni-muni. Kaya diri pod makita kas view. Say naman po yung mga tao din eh. With their dogs, walking with their dogs. Wala ko eh. Uban naghang dog. Kay naagkuan mo ko filming ako raman. Kay naay gipalit sa akong hobby. May gipalit. Muna ako sa gipangari. Tayo nag-exercise. Diba guys, nindot. Ngari ta diri. God. Magtaas-taas na niya itong video guys. Mo mariraman to sila mahuman na sila itang gipalit. Marita. So na po yun, malibre ra ni din eh. So dito po na po lingkuranan dito. Puro lingkuranan na niya. So diri sa ta. Uy, basa kya. Basa lang. Mabasa atong kuan. Maglingkod. Tapos na pala tong ganda oh. Tapos na yung ano ito, bago to eh. Libre lang talaga dito guys. Yun oh. Na, bago. Bago lang to, tapos na pala to. Wow. Tapos na. Kasi walang roof dati. Hala, ganda, laki. Yung barbecue area. Bago to. Libre lang dito. Mag-barbecue, ganyan. Ganda. May roof na ngayon. Ganda na. Dito rin guys oh. Wala siya tao karon guys. Madyo po noon kaya mauwaw mo kung mag-video ko. May tao. Nay naglakaw na. Pero kuan. Sabi sa tas. Gets the light man guys. Ano de po diri? Wow. Sus na human na daking ko gwapa. Nara dito ang toilet. Dito ko nangihi guys. Tapos ganda oh. Tapos ito yung garbage bin guys. Nalibre na diri guys. Mag-barbecue dota. Ma-attract jud ang mga kuan diri kanang mga visitor ba, mga tourist. Kanang po yung mga tourist na moari. Nindot na barbecue-anan. Bot sa unyo pagkuan. Pakatry na guys. Dara bun tayo houseboat ganina. Nice. Day houseboat ning laban. Dito na ang aking sundo. Han, it's finished also here. I thought not finish yet. It is finished. It's already here. Where's Cindy the doggy? Yeah, where's Cindy? Hello. Cindy there. There na si Cindy. The Mindy. The doggy. Palang dog doon. Kaya pala siya nag-ano. At yung dog din tumakbo. Oh, come on. Nakakita siya ng dog. It's nice. We're here at the lookout. We're back here, guys. In a beautiful day. Meron doong ano doon din. Kaya ano.
Yeah, so
Not cloudy, but sunny.
Going down.
Hi?
The net, they threw that net out. It's not even going in the water. It's going down. You watch.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Where's Cindy? Hello, this is Cindy. She's back here. She's back here at the lookout.
Really dropped again. Oh, Cindy.
Dito ulit tayo, guys. Hello! Dito tayo nag-hiking. Bababa tayo sa may hagdanan. Okay, guys, ang ganda ng view, guys, sa bundok, guys. Happy na ako dito, guys, kasi relaxing siya. Peaceful and relaxing view. Yan yung ano doon. Hindi na ako bababa doon, guys. Kasi pag akyat, guys, ito yung akyat din, hiking. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, God bless everyone. Thank you. Nandun sila sa taas. Thank you, everyone. Cindy, where are you? Say hello. Hello. Ah! You go down. Good morning. Hello. Where is that then? The boat.